Traders, we're looking at Polkadot paired with USDT. Okay, bearish trend, 4-hour time frame, break of market structure, BOS to the downside. And I'm always looking for the retrace. Okay, we have this bullish candle, but balance area back in here. I would think that this possibly trades back up, and I'll be looking to short it at that point, target the lows and beyond, stop loss above. This is one idea. Say stop loss above, so entry point up in here, stop above the high, and you could go for a 2R. Well, that takes you down to this low down in here. It's 2.1. Right, so there's a 2R target, 4-hour time frame, something like that. Now you could pull your stop loss to break even if that plays out in your favor, and then trail it and see if you can get a bit more out of it. So that's a 4-hour idea. Now let's just go out of here. I want to have a look at it on the weekly time frame, just see what we've got here. The thing with this is you want to be careful, because that's a counter trend trade. This is bullish on the weekly, and there's a fair bit of risk involved. See how we've traded down? Well, we've got this high, okay, coincides with the current base of this candle body. So we're trading into these levels here, and we've got this high over here. Let's cracked it. Have a look at it on the daily. But I mean, before we do, the kind of thing that I'm looking for in a bullish trend like this is if we pull it Fibonacci low to high. Yeah, I mean, it's really pushed through my 61.8786. Well, actually it's pushed right down into the 786. So my question is, on the higher time frame, do we have a buy opportunity? Possibly. Now you want to be careful, because this is overextended now to the downside. A sell possibly, but you know, you would have been better off up in around here looking for a short early on. Okay, so the current idea for a sell is pretty high risk. I would give it a 60%. Break of market structure here on the daily. Okay, break of market structure here on the daily. Again, you know, like if you want to have a look at this from the Fibonacci high to low, you know, I would expect to pull back up into the 50% here, and that could give you an entry short. Now, given that we do have this break of structure on this time frame, so I would be looking at go for a sell in here. So you could set a limit sell order, long position, short position, yeah, something like that. That would work for me. Yeah, stop above that, and there's a 1.3R, 1.8, 1.9, 2R. Okay, that's on the daily time frame, looking for the retrace. So we've got a 4-hour idea, higher risk, and then we've got the daily time frame, lower risk, but you know, you may or may not get a fill. So let's just go back down now to the 4H and consider the possibilities here. So we've got, in fact, before we do, we need to actually mark up some targets on the daily. All right, so we've got liquidity under here, potentially. So it's taken out these buy stops prior to this run. Any buy stops resting under here. Look at that. Look at this stop run here. So we've traded down and taken out those stops. If we see further downside, the next target's going to be down around here. They're going to be targeting these stops under here. All right, so that's a possibility. So we've got a couple of targets we could consider on the daily. Back to the 4H. Yeah, be careful with this one, guys. So a possible sell up in around here if it pulls back into it. Target 1, target 2. But again, yeah, just understand the risk. This is a pretty volatile market at the moment. So I mean, that kind of wraps it up. Check out my link below. There's some stuff in there that you might find interesting. Okay guys, that's Polkadot. I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.